Welcome to our video on high-interest savings accounts. Let's make your money work harder for you. Let's dive in. High-interest savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster over time. When choosing a high-interest savings account, it's essential to compare interest rates and fees across different banks. Consider visiting a bank branch or speaking with a financial advisor to understand the terms and conditions associated with each account. Once you've chosen the right account, set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your high-interest savings account. This ensures consistent savings without any effort on your part. With a high-interest savings account, your money works harder for you, helping you reach your financial goals faster and with less effort. Start maximizing your savings today with a high-interest savings account. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching our video on maximizing your savings, high-interest savings accounts. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Stay tuned for more valuable tips to help you achieve your financial goals. Until next time, happy saving!